Alright guys, welcome back. Niko Brothers, I'm Mike.
And I'm Ivan.
And we're continuing to build on the Cobra. So we had some progress last time. So in this episode we're going to go ahead and mount the body to the frame so we know the fitting's perfect and get that exhaust done. So we need to go ahead and get that exhaust mounted as well and drop it off to the muffler shop. Then we know everything kind of fits, it's mounting well, nothing's hitting, before we can start buttoning up everything.
Also, we're gonna order some tires.
For sure, we gotta get some tires on there, you know, check the gaps and everything like that. Before we finalize anything, we wanna make sure all our pieces fit on there perfectly. So we definitely have a lot of work to do, but hey, we're doing giveaways as well. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below, and that'll enter your chance to win. Doesn't matter what you enter. I'll let you guys in the comments. Somebody wrote anything. That's funny, because that's what we said to do. But yeah, you can talk about anything. While it's snowing a lot of places, read your comments and keep up. That's funny, guys. We'd like to see what's going on. Let's go ahead and get the body mounted and secured so that we can keep going forward. Alright guys, so the body is mounted. It's looking pretty good. Got the tires also ordered, so hopefully they come in and fit with our body. Yeah, hopefully that goes well, but here's the exhaust. We'll go ahead and go get that mounted as much as we can and get it to the muffler shop so they can weld in this section piece. And hopefully everything we need will be on there. Keep going. Alright guys, so we pushed the Cobra onto the trailer. We got it all loaded up, ready to go to the muffler shop. We didn't want to start it just because there are no headers on there. I mean, we got the headers but no exhaust, so we don't melt the body or anything like that, the wiring, so it's fine. Let's keep it safe. We pushed it on there, you know, until it's time. But let's head on over. Let's get it done. Alright guys, so we're here at Inman Muffler Shop. We dropped it off. They said it's going to take a day or so to get done, but hey, we're going to keep going. It's over here, you know, progress. Things are moving forward on it, so we're excited. They said it shouldn't be a too big deal, but got to get the O2 sensor in there and get the U-bend, but they're going to get it done.
Well, we got something else planned, right, Michael?
Yeah, so we got something else for you guys, so we had a little fun weekend. Let's show you all about it. Alright guys, I don't know if you remember our Polaris Rzr that we got. We made a video about it. So this is how we got it, how much we got it for, and honestly, you've seen the video how I was repairing it, putting it together. So $4,200, not bad at all. That was the damage. But we actually picked up a couple more and took them out to Durhamtown. We got this 2019 Polaris Rzr. Crazy mud tires on there. Also suspension damage. But the engine was running drive. Got it for 69. There's the 19, it's a little newer. So we picked this one up, and then we actually got one more. Our buddies at Car Wars picked this up right here for $12,700, but this thing is turboed, a lot of power. Man, this Maverick is crazy. So what we did is basically fix everything the night before, stayed up till like 3 in the morning on the frame machine, just getting it all done, putting it together, but made it work, and then we took it out. See what happened. So literally 6 hours ago, we were pulling frame, swapping suspension. Now we're out here mudding. right, guys, so we had an awesome time out there in Durhamtown. Wonderful place. If you've never been there, definitely check it out. Jumping, getting air, trails, mudding. I mean, they got it all. We didn't even explore the whole place, but
And you guys went swimming.
yeah, that was unexpected. A little cold, but you know, we got through it. And that thing was a champ. We came right out and kept going, enjoyed the rest of the day. But let us know if you think we got a good deal on the Polaris, on the Maverick, all the good stuff. I mean, we basically got him, fixed him, and rode him, and tested him out. So we had a great time on that. But hey, thanks for watching. But let's pick our winner for the giveaway. So 3, 2, 1. Congratulations again. Make sure you guys comment below for this video for your chance to win for next time. Thanks, guys, and stay tuned.